New York for the fall. So currently back in New York right now. I think New York has like the perfect fall weather. You can hear it's a little bit windy, but the sun is out most of the time. It's like a cool, brisk 65 to 70 degree weather most of the time. So I actually feel like New York actually has fall weather. As you can see on the trees, they start to change color, and I don't know, it's just a great time to be outside. It's not too hot or anything like that. But I've been gone for a little while. I'm sorry, the lighting's gonna keep going in and out because these trees is covering me, but I've been gone for a little while, so I figured let me catch you guys up. You know, where have I been and things like that. I just saw this bird here. It like freaked me out. I didn't know what that was. But yeah, let me go ahead and catch you guys up on like where I've been, what I've been up to. Obviously, if you follow me on Instagram, then you will have seen what I've been up to. I have still been posting on Instagram and TikTok, and some shorts on YouTube as well. But I know a lot of people have been asking me about longer form content, which I truly miss doing. And editing and all that good stuff, and showing you guys, you know, the different places that I visit. Let's find somewhere to sit down so I can talk a little more about what's been going on, where have I been, because boy oh boy, a lot has changed. So last time I posted like a long form video, it was my last day in Athens, which is so crazy to think about now. But of course, after that, I pretty much went back to Paris and spent some time with my family there, of course. At this point, that's like my second home, and it's pathetic that I don't speak more French. So I did come back to the States, and you know, that's when a lot of things kind of happened, and I think I just wasn't motivated, didn't have the time to record, and I just didn't feel inspired to show the things that I was going through and what I was doing at the time. So I didn't record, and time continued to pass, and now, you know, we're at the year mark since I last posted a vlog on my channel. Like I said, I was still posting on my IG, and I figured let me kind of go a little bit through where I've been and what I've been doing for the past year that I haven't posted on YouTube, but I have actually been posting other places. So of course I was still traveling, and I got to visit Turks and Caicos, Curacao, did go back to Europe for my European summer girl era. The thing is, when you start traveling so much, sometimes you kind of forget where you've been, especially if it was like a quick trip. And I know Curacao was one of those like quick trips. I went there to celebrate my birthday with my best friend. You can let me know how you feel about it in the comments. I figured I would still like to share some of those videos and some of that footage that I have in case you ever plan on going to any of those places, you know. And that was my first group trip ever to Turks and Caicos, and I think that was the first trip that I've been on with more than 2 other ladies. It was 6 of us total, so that was pretty interesting because y'all know I travel solo. Okay, you don't have to worry about how the people's feeling, where they want to eat, what they want to do, where they want to go, people being tired. You do your own thing. And that's why I travel solo, or most of the time with one of my best friends, because she's kind of on my same vibe. But we traveled with 5 other ladies. There was 6 of us total. And I must say that it wasn't a bad trip. It actually really surprised me in many ways, and everyone got along. I was able to go to a few concerts. I went to Burna Boy and Chris Brown concert, and if you've never been to a Chris Brown concert, what are you waiting for? Like, you have to go to at least one Chris Brown concert. I never got to go to Michael Jackson, so he's like, you know, the next best thing. But anyways, so a few things that I've pretty much been up to, and oh my gosh, I chose to sit by a bee tree. Another great thing that I love about New York City is the fact that you can walk anywhere. You don't need a car. You can take the train, walk, bike, scooter, anything you want to do, so to get to your destination. So right now we're heading out to get breakfast. So, contrary to what some may believe or know, I actually do work a corporate job. So, I work remotely, and it's a nice day out today, so I figured, you know, why not work in a new environment, a different one. So, we're gonna do some work in the park today. It's nice right now, the sun is out, so let's see. If it starts getting a little bit too chilly, then we may move. But for now, it feels nice, so let me go ahead and get some work done.